Good morning. My name is Alden Oplenia. I'm a shift team leader here in Abri Anglique. So I'm gonna make one of the famous dessert in Philippines, one main meal in Philippines. We'll start with the dessert. It's a mango float. So it's just basic ingredients is these grahams, these crackers from Philippines, just a condensed milk, cream milk, mango. So first thing first, we have to thicken the cream and then we'll add the condensed milk. Let's wait to fill up the cream. Just peel the mango and slice into strips. Now we can start putting the condensed milk. Basically we have like 1 liter of cream. You can put 2 of this tin condensed milk. Just taste the cream, the sweet is enough. Perfect. Alright, our cream is ready. Let's continue chopping this mango. Just a thin strips. And then we lay on a container or a round bowl. You have to put the cream on the bottom. And then you have to lay the biscuits. Biki here in Australia. You have to lay another cream on top. Not too thick, not too thin. And then mango. That's why they call it mango float, because it's like floating within the cream. And then just repeat the process. And then we have to sprinkle some of these biscuits on top. You can use your blender or RoboCup, whatsoever. You can smash it manually. You can chill it for half an hour and it's ready to eat. There we go. We're gonna cook the main meal, the chicken apretada, because this is basically a chicken stew with tomato base. So chicken apretada is one of the famous meal in Philippines. You can use every part of the chicken, but I'm using breast today. We just have 2 cubes. The chicken. You can season this one. Ground pepper, salt. Rub this one and set aside. Just slice the carrots, potato. Just do the cubes. Soak in the water so that it won't brown. Put like 2 tablespoons of oil. We have to do the carrots because this may take longer. Just fry this. You can season it with salt and pepper. Yeah, we just need this kind of color each side. Same process with the potato. This is just the color we want. While waiting to sear this potato, we can start chop some of the onion. Just dice the onion. Just have to dice the capsicum. Same process with our chicken. We just have to sear each side just to give a golden brown. While you're searing, you don't have to lift up the chicken, just put in the side and you start to saute the onion first until it's translucent or soft. If the onions start to soft, translucent, just put 2 tablespoons of garlic. And now you can put the bay leaves just to give aroma, good smell. And the main one, you just have to add like 750 grams of Filipino style tomato sauce, because Filipino like sweets. And then put the chicken busta. When you put the chicken busta, you have to add water Just wait to simmer this like for 10 to 15 minutes. Can put the potato. Make sure it's covered. Put the capsicum. Medium heat, that will do. To put more texture, have to put the green peas. It will add more color to our stew. Have to mix it. Our stew is finished. We just have to plate it. You can serve as it is because there's already potato in it, but in Philippines, we still serve with rice because they said rice is life. Yep, there you go. That's it. Chicken afritada. And these are mango float with gray hams. All right, we've done our cooking show. Thank you for having me. You have a good day. Thank you.